All right, so I'm back. This is Sari, graphic artist here in Seattle. I'm working on this podcast poster and logo. This podcast I did the art for a couple years ago, and just a couple weeks ago, they had their final podcast. I just got wind of it as I was going through old art. So I just wanted to commemorate their last podcast by making this little poster here, and I'm going to send it off to them and just check in and see how they're doing. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting those mock-ups that I made. If you were following me earlier, I was making mock-ups of some shirts and some poster boards, or some poster, what do you call, a billboard mock-ups. So what we're going to do now again is we're just going to dump all these mock-ups in here. Ridiculous. Let's just start putting the mock-ups in here. So these are all the poster mock-ups. Let's just stick them all in there. Okay. So we did a few of these. We obviously don't need all of them. They were like a set. But what I don't like is just the repetition. So I'm just gonna stick with this little poster graphic here. I like it this size instead of how big that was. So let's give it a chop, eh? Perfect. Making sure that I'm citing my sources for the resources that I used. But I don't remember who did this one. It's not in the file. I'll just get whichever ones I can to put in here. That one I just referenced. Oh, it's this one. Yeah. So now we need to look and see what Dribbble says. You do not have the rights to resell or redistribute. If you wish to promote Dribbble graphics on your site, you have to link back where users can find the download and not directly to the file. Well, then I need to go to Dribbble and search for this so I can cite it properly. So it was this one. Well, they just put this one out. I looked for a little bit to find it too. Let's do this. So it was this poster one. We needed to add the text. Is this a link already? What's this link? What's the link look like? Well, why is it going to like an administrator? It's weird. Where did that t-shirt come from? Dang. Can we look at my history? It might have been this one. I didn't use that one. Here it is, the cap sleeve. This is the one. There, everyone has been cited. Very cool. All right, well, I'm gonna go into more details about my decisions and talking about this project a little bit later. But for now, I'm going to update the project. I'm going to go back to my portfolio. So now you can see I have 2 projects here. So let me just do this. Looks like 5 people have seen this. It's probably just me looking at it 5 times. So let's do link to project. And I guess I'll call it good for our project now. So yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to go over some of my process with you guys and post an updated picture. I'm renewing my dedication to this channel this year. So thanks for joining me, and I do appreciate you. Go ahead and tap the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to put the links to my portfolio and the resources that I used in the YouTube information below. So thanks, and take care, guys.